Steph, your game up, and today I am back with another video. I'm doing something a little different today, something I hope you enjoy, something I hope you like. As you can tell from the title of the video, I am making spaghetti and catfish. First, I'm just going to show you what ingredients I have, and then we're going to get started. First things first, I will talk about the spaghetti. So I'm trying something different this time. Probably not a good time to try something new for the first time I'm making a video, but whatever. I'm going to give it a try. Me and Level Up Lomax thought that it would taste good. So instead of using ground beef for my spaghetti, I'm using Italian sausage. It's also ground, like ground beef, obviously, but it's sausage. It's Italian sausage. And I felt like Italian goes with spaghetti, so we're gonna see how this tastes. So I got this from Meijer. That's the first thing I'm using. And then I've never put meatballs in my spaghetti before, but Soraya really likes meatballs, and I've randomly started to like meatballs. So I picked up these mozzarella Italian style meatballs, also from Meijer. And I'm just gonna cook these by what the directions on the package says, because I don't know how to make meatballs. So I'm just gonna cook these how the package says and add them to the spaghetti at the end. I got Great Value Pop Perfect Spaghetti, which comes from Walmart. And then sauce. I got some pretty big containers of ragu. I got the meat flavor, and I got the tomato, garlic, and onion flavor. I think it's Presto, makes a 4-cheese spaghetti sauce I like to have, but I just don't have that on hand. For my catfish, I actually just cleaned my catfish. I just got a few fillets of catfish. For that, I'm going to put Andy's fish breading in Cajun. That's how I'm going to like marinate it or whatever. I hope that's the right word. I use 2 packages of that, and I have them 1 each to a bowl. So I already have my water boiling over on the stove. Like I said, I already cleaned my fish. And then I have this tray here that I'm about to put aluminum foil on, because the directions for these meatballs just says to put them in the oven. Let's see exactly. It says heat oven to 375, place meatballs on aluminum foil lined baking sheet and bake for 15 minutes. It says for better results, you know, flip them over and let them go a little bit longer. So that's what I'm going to do. I think I gave you guys all my prep plan. I'm gonna get into it now. My water is boiling. I'm gonna add the noodles. Coated my fish really well. It has sat for a while. I think the package recommends like 10 or 15 minutes. I'm pretty sure I bet it sat longer than that. My oil is hot. This was my first time making ground sausage, so I didn't realize that it broke up kind of weird, so I used a knife to help crumble it down. that is how I make spaghetti and catfish. Finished results. I hope you like this video. If you want to see more like this, let me know. Tell me what you want to see me make. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.